Teaching Boys Foundation, a guide for educators. Teaching Boys Foundation, a guide for educators. Boys can thrive academically when instructions align with their developmental, cognitive, and emotional strengths. However, research and classroom experiences reveal 5 common challenges that can impact boys' engagement, motivation, and achievement. This guide explores each challenge in detail and provides practical strategies, examples, and explanations of why these approaches are effective for boys. Number 1, attention, activity, and learning style differences. So what is the issue? Boys tend to be more physically active and often have shorter attention span than girls. Many traditional classrooms are structured around long periods of sitting, listening, and quiet compliance, which may conflict with boys' natural energy regulation. When boys are required to remain still for extended periods, cognitive load increases, attention decreases, and behavior can be misinterpreted as disengagement or defiance. Without opportunities to move, touch, or experiment, boys may struggle to maintain focus even when they are genuinely interested in the learning. So what are some strategies? Structured movement breaks and active learning. Embed short movement breaks every 10 to 15 minutes or incorporate moving directly into instructions. So what's an example? Rotate students between stations, use walk and talk discussions, or let boys respond at the whiteboard. So why does this work? Well, movement allows boys to regulate energy while staying cognitively engaged, reducing off-task behavior and increasing focus. Hands-on active learning tasks. Prioritize doing before listening. Use experiments, role plays, or real-world challenges. Here's an example. In science, boys build models to explore forces. In math, they use physical objects to solve problems. Physical interaction with content strengthens understanding and retention and aligns with boys' kinesthetic learning preferences. Boys' engagement, motivation, and achievement improve when instructions align with their developmental, cognitive, and emotional strengths. By understanding and addressing these 5 core challenges, attention and activity differences, literacy engagement, academic relevance, social emotional development, and curriculum representation, teachers can create classrooms that are structured, purposeful, and inclusive. These strategies do not rely on stereotypes. Instead, they leverage evidence-based approaches that work with boys' natural tendencies, providing opportunities for active hands-on learnings that boost focus and skill. Purposeful, meaningful tasks that increases motivation and support for emotional regulation and social skills, and representation and choice that fosters belonging and engagement. When implemented consistently, these strategies empower boys to succeed academically, socially, and emotionally, helping them develop confidence, resilience, and a lifelong love of learning. Teaching Boys Foundation, a guide for educators.
Life, you'll leave here rich.
If this educational content resonates with you, please like and subscribe for more videos.